You guys, I finally got some little twinkly lights for my background. I'm so excited. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're going to be doing a monthly favorites video. I know. Why is this up so high? It has been quite some time since I've done a monthly favorites video, let me tell you that. It's been like 5 months? It's been a while. But yes, we are going to be doing a monthly favorites for March because it's nearing the end of March, so we're gonna do that today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out over on Instagram. We're doing a lot of fun reels and posts and videos over there, and check me out on TikTok as well because like TikTok is poppin'. But I have quite a few, well, it's not a ton of favorites, but I have some makeup and one skincare product and a fragrance to show you. So let's just jump in. So I think what I'll do is I will just show you a couple of bits that I have less of first, and then we can go on to like the makeup-y parts afterwards. But the first thing I want to show you is this perfume that I did get from a brand called Dossier. They actually sent this to me. This is not sponsored or anything, but they did send this to me to try out. So thank you so much to them. I really appreciate it. So Dossier is a brand of perfume. They do make perfume, but they make perfume that is inspired by like super expensive perfumes. Like they have like the Labo perfume, they have their own inspired version of that. The one that I actually got is the inspired version of the Baccarat Rouge 540 perfume, which if you know is like $400. It comes in a little box like this, and then when you open it, got the little information card, and then when you actually get the box, when you get the perfume, you do have like a little mini travel size in here, so you can use the travel size, and if you end up not liking the fragrance or if you want to try something different, then you can just send this back. It's a really cool way to, you know if you like a perfume before you commit to the entire thing. So it's pretty cool. The one that I got is Ambery Saffron, which again is inspired by the Baccarat Rouge perfume. I have smelled that one once and it was amazing. It was great, but Lord knows I'm not gonna buy like a $400 perfume. That's crazy. To me at least. And this smells quite similar. Like they actually did a really good job of kind of taking the inspiration from the Baccarat Rouge and putting it into this perfume. But here is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek packaging. It looks really nice. I have used this. I've actually used it quite a lot because I've been testing this for about a month now, and I feel like I haven't even used that much. It's kind of crazy, but I've been using this every day. And then the top notes are saffron and orange blossom. The middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood, and the base notes are oak moss, fir blossom, and amber. The top right here is magnetized, so it's like super good quality, and I don't know, I'm really into this. I think it's really great. This perfume is $49. Again, I didn't actually pay for this. They did send it to me to try out, compared to like $400. So definitely a good value, and you do get 1.7 ounces in this little bottle here. Also, they did give me a discount code if you want to use that. Again, it's not sponsored, it's not affiliated, they're just being really kind. On the website, you can enter the code Mackenzie, because that's my name, at checkout to get 10% off your order. They also have a welcome offer on the website for 20% off, and the coupon code that I have will stack on top of that. So if you use their regular 20% off discount code, you can also use my discount code and get 30% off of your first order. So that's pretty dope. So next up we have one skincare favorite, and I've actually really been loving this. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Serum. I love this stuff so freaking much. As you guys know, my skin is like so dry. It's a little bit annoying. However, this right here is great. I've been using this almost every single day and I haven't run out of it yet. I've had it for at least 3 months. It's been quite a while. I've had it for a while and I haven't run out of it, but it looks like this, and I just put this on the first thing that I do when I get out of the shower. I'll put this on first, and then I'll put like moisturizer or like eye cream and then moisturizer, but this is the first thing that I use, and I really noticed that it makes a really big difference in my skin itself. It actually makes me hydrated, and it makes my skin look plump and like just really nice, and don't mind my nails, they just look awful. But this right here is a fantastic product. I know that Tatcha can be super duper expensive, but sometimes I feel like expensive stuff is just expensive for no reason. But when it comes to Tatcha, I really think that they are expensive because their stuff works. I love this. I feel like if you did have oily skin, you might want to try something different. They have plenty of stuff for dry, oily, normal combo skin. So this may not be for you guys with oily skin, but for those of you with dry skin, you're welcome because this stuff is great. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to lip makeup products because I do have quite a few things to show you here. Let's just start off with one foundation. I've got this by Auric. This is Samantha Ravindal's brand, Glow by Auric, and I have been obsessed with this stuff since it came out. This is the Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer. I have mine in the shade Morganite, and I have just been loving this. I know that a lot of people use this and then put foundation over top of it, and I think that's great. I don't do that. I just go in straight with this. I use this directly as foundation, and I really like it that way. Like I said before, my skin is so dry, so if I'm able to look sweaty, I know some people hate that look. I love that look. I love to look dewy, sweaty, wet. If you know what I mean, it's just my vibe. I like it a lot, but this formula is beautiful in my opinion. I really like it. I feel like this has been one of the foundations that I've used most often in the last couple of months. So big props to Sam for this brand. It is wonderful, fantastic. I love it a lot. So there's that. Keeping with the Auric theme, of course I had to talk about these babies right here. These are the Smoke Reflect duos. It has a cream shadow right here, and then at the top it has a sparkly kind of topper shadow. And these are beautiful as well. I have loved these. I've used them so much. I have mine in the shade Defiance and Temper. I didn't get Ego for some reason, and I don't know why. I need to go back and get Ego just so I can have all three. But this is beautiful. Also, the packaging on all three of these products are stunning. They're just out of this world beautiful. They're very easy to blend. The top shadows, the glitter toppers are stunning as well. Yeah, I have a full video on this as well, testing out Auric. If you haven't seen that, I'll have it linked right up here for you guys. But there's that, and I love them both. Next up, I have this right here. This is a primer. I actually got this like 2 weeks ago. It's been a little bit, but I haven't had it all month. So it's kind of a cheap product, but I really like this. I have used this at least 4 times since I've got it, and it's great. This is the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. This is a silicone-based primer that's kind of like the Tarte Putty Primer or the Benefit Professional. It says that it's also meant for dry skin too, and when I read that I was like, no. But then I tried it and I was like, yo, this is sick. I have it on right now. That's what I'm wearing today. But this is wonderful. When you put it on, it kind of feels cold on the skin, and maybe that is the hydration aspect to it. I don't really know, but my skin does not feel dry. It's not flaky or anything, but I feel like it really does smooth out my T-zone area, and it just makes it look very smooth, very nice. And this is drugstore as well. I got it at Ulta, and I really like it. Here's what it looks like. It just looks like a silicone primer. I have a couple more things from the drugstore here. The drugstore has been killing it, you guys. This right here is the Loreal Air Volume Mascara. It's so good. I am wearing it today along with my fake eyelashes, but I have really been enjoying this. This is a wonderful mascara from the drugstore. It's like $15 and it works really well. The packaging's not my favorite thing, but you know, who cares really? Here's what the wand looks like. You know, I always compare mascaras to my Marc Jacobs mascara just because I feel like this is the best mascara to exist right now. However, I feel like this is definitely on par with the Marc Jacobs, but one is luxury, one is drugstore, and it really depends on which one you want to go for. $27 versus $15. You pick your poison, but this is a really, really great drugstore mascara, and I have really been enjoying it. One more thing from the drugstore, I have this from NYX. You guys, I have been loving these so much. They're so nice. I've seen mixed reviews on these. I've seen people that don't like them. I've seen people that love them. I've seen people that are like, eh. So I'm on the side of love them because I think they're so cool. These are the NYX Shine Loud lipsticks, like liquid lipsticks and lip gloss. I have this in the shade Gold Crusher, and you have a liquid lipstick right here, and you just put it on like normal, but you have to wait for like a minute for it to dry and it becomes real sticky, and then you put the gloss over top of it, and it just, I don't know what kind of sorcery is in here, but you put the gloss on and it just seals that lipstick in, and I swear to you, it does not move. It does not move. I'm not wearing it today, but I have worn it so many times, and I can put this on at 10 in the morning and have it on at 10 at night, and it will have not moved. Like, I can eat, I can drink, I can kiss my hand all day long and like rub it. It stays. Like, it's wild. I know NYX is not the first brand to do something like this, but I feel like this one is one of the best executed. You know, I feel like L'Oreal did this first or something. Someone else did this first, but I think that this one is better executed than the previous ones, and I feel like it's a lot more comfortable to wear. So I love this, and I have this in like 5 different shades. So, alrighty, next up I have 2 things from Urban Decay. I have these Moondust shadows. You guys, these are my favorite things that Urban Decay has ever come out with. Maybe they've come out with more single shadows and I'm just like not aware, but these Moondust, ooh, these are just my favorite thing. Look at this. Look at how stunning and beautiful these are. These are just eyeshadow toppers, and this one is in the shade Space Cowboy, and this purple one is in the shade Glitter Rock, and these are just stunning. You put these on your lid and it just shines. It looks wet, it looks dewy. This genuinely reminds me of like a Pat McGrath special shade, you know, her special shades and her long palettes, her big palettes. This genuinely reminds me so much of a Pat McGrath special shade. It is just so reflective and beautiful and stunning, and you could use this by itself. I have multiple times I've used this on its own, or you could do an eye look like with other eyeshadow and then put this on as like just a glitter topper. Whew. The last few things that I do have are all from Rare Beauty. You guys, I have been so into the Stay Vulnerable collection from Rare Beauty. I love it so much. My favorite is the actually, I can't choose a favorite because I love both of these so much. The blushes are beautiful. This one is in Nearly Apricot. It's so nice. I've actually, believe it or not, used Nearly Neutral more than Nearly Apricot, and I thought that I was gonna use Nearly Apricot so much more, but I have used Nearly Neutral so much, and it is just such a pretty cream blush. Like, it doesn't look like much on my hand here, but let me just tell you, when I get it put on my face, it just looks so nice. It's not super dewy. I thought that it was gonna be more dewy, but it does have a more of a matte finish, but it's not fully matte, like a satin natural finish, if you will. Even though it's not like super dewy, I still love them, and the packaging is the cutest little thing. They look like little pebbles, and I cannot rave about the Stay Vulnerable collection from Rare Beauty enough. Going along with that, these lip glosses, you guys, are my favorite lip glosses to ever exist so far. I love these. This one again is in Nearly Neutral, and this one is in Nearly Apricot. These are the best lip glosses in my opinion. You have to like the formula, of course. If you don't like the formula, you won't like them, but they're thick, but they're not too thick. But when you rub your lips together, your lips just feel so smooth and like buttery, and it just feels so nice. I just think these are the bomb. They're so good. I love them, and if you have not tried these, I would highly recommend it because they are phenomenal. But you guys, that has been my, I almost said May. I wish it was May, but it's not. That has been my March favorites for this time around, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy the video. What has been your March favorites? Do you have anything that you liked also that I showed here, or do you have other March favorites? Please let me know in the comments because I would love to know what you are loving right now as well, just because I want to know. I like trying new things, so let a girl know. But again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!